Where's Sarah? I hope she doesn't get me. Boo! Boo!
I know.
I'm sorry. No.
Right.
Sarah. What are you doing today, Sarah? What are you gonna do today? Who's coming? Who's coming to Port City today? Tracy! Yay! Who else is coming?
What do you make it?
Who else is coming? What are you gonna do with Tracy? And Melissa? You gonna hang out with Tracy and Melissa? And maybe your mom? Is your mom coming?
Yes.
Awesome! Yay! I get to meet your mom?
Yeah.